This is most visible at Mogadishu's port, a vital trade hub now restored and modernized, operating under tight security. Established in 1977, the port remains one of Somalia's most important economic lifelines, a key source of revenue and a gateway for regional trade.
The capacity of the port have increased since last 2 months. One of the things that we have contributed as a new was to work that the port functions at night. So now we work day and night. That make us to become #1 port in East Africa, and we become 4th best port in Africa. We also have a partner, the Turkish company called Al Bayrak, Mogadishu Al Port, who have been with us the last 11 years. They also help us logistically. They run the port. We will build Mogadishu new port. Will be 30 kilometers north of Mogadishu. I believe we'll have a bigger port. We will have economic free zones. We will have more space.